Hello and welcome to this Sage 50 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to change the columns on your purchase orders so that you only see the information that you need, and it makes it a lot faster for the purchase order process, so you don't have to worry about skipping over a bunch of columns every time you try and enter in a new purchase order. So to get to this, you can just click on the purchase orders and quotes, or if you're in the enhanced view, you can go to vendors and purchases and click on a purchase invoice here. So you'll get this screen will pop up, and you see there's all of these columns, and a lot of them you probably won't end up using. So if you don't have inventory items, you probably won't have an item number. You might not have orders and back orders. It all kind of depends how you run your business, but this will allow you to select which columns you do and which columns you do not want to see. So in order to change these options, you go up to the top here. There's a little customize transaction window button, which is basically just two boxes with an arrow between the two. If you click on that box, it'll bring this screen here up where you can change a couple of different options in a couple of different areas. This is just the easiest way to get to it. So under purchase invoices on the left hand side, you can select columns. Now anything that's checked off in here will not show up. So it says do not show these columns. So in this case, let's say I don't want to see the item number. I want the description. I don't want the quantity on order. I don't want the quantity on back order. I'll keep the tax codes. Don't worry about quantity received. Don't need the units. And I'm not worried about the job site for these. So sure, we'll just see what this looks like here. So I checked off the ones that I no longer want to see, and then I will click OK. So now you can see it's just got the options that I had left as unchecked. So now I have just the account, the amount, tax column, price, and item description. So if we go back in there and click on columns again, we could, if we wanted to, we could get rid of price and say, okay, I don't actually need a description, I'm just entering in the amounts. Just uncheck those two. Now there's only a few more options. So now if you were to search through here and pick a vendor, when you're tabbing through all of the different items, if you like to tab through because it's a little bit faster, now you don't have to tab through a bunch of different columns once you get down here. It's just going to be one or two different columns. So it's as simple as that. All you have to do, click up this icon up here that says Customize Transaction Window. Go on the left-hand side, go to Purchase Invoices, Columns, and check off the ones that you do not want to show up. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you for the next one.